morning, everyone. This is mathematics T for the day. The square root of 43 plus the square root of 6 times the square root of 86. Let's drink the tea together. This is solution. Square root of 43 plus the square root of 6 times 36. Square root of 36 what? 6. This will now be equals to the square root of what? 43 plus 6 times 6 what? 86. And now we have that place equals to the root of 36. Now this will now be equals to 43 plus the square root of 36 is 6. So the root is out. And now we now add 43 plus 6. 143 plus 6 is 49. So that becomes the square root of 49. And what is the square root of 49? Is 7. That is the answer, because 7 times 7 is 49. That is the T for this morning. Do have a nice day.